SUVs are basically what most car buyers want these days. They offer more space and functionality that even the most beloved sedans and trucks can't match. Perhaps the only thing that prevents some people from cashing into these SUVs is their price. Well, there's no need for me to say this, but many of these SUVs are kind of expensive. But then again, it's not like you are out of options. Hello everyone, this is Scott from CarlandTV. It's time to get in the front seat, as today I am going to list some of the cheapest yet reliable SUVs that aren't a headache to maintain. Keep in mind that this is not a list of the cheapest SUVs, but rather those that strike the balance between price, ownership cost, and reliability. Before I start, I would really appreciate it if you would push those buttons below, the subscribe button, the notification bell, all of them. This is not necessary, but those little clicks help a brother out. Plus, it pushes me to give you more valuable car-related content on your screen. Now buckle up and let's get back to the video. 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer. The first in this list is the 2024 model year of the Trailblazer. With an asking price of $23,000, the Trailblazer is a compact SUV that has the chops to become a bestseller. It's reliable, affordable, and doesn't cost that much to maintain, even as the years progress. As far as I am concerned, the Trailblazer has a reputation for being dependable, thanks to its well-engineered powertrain, which includes turbocharged engines known for balancing performance and fuel efficiency. There's nothing to worry about its maintenance. It's a Chevy, so you can get all the parts that you need easily. You simply have to pay attention to services like oil changes and tire rotations every 7,500 miles to ensure its longevity and minimal unexpected repairs. As long as you do your part, the Trailblazer will do its job in taking you to point A from point B as safely and comfortably as possible. Speaking of that, the Trailblazer's long-standing reputation for reliability is further bolstered by its competent safety features, which have contributed to fewer major breakdowns and repairs over time. Even NHTSA gave the Trailblazer a 5-star rating for its crash test results, which is something that even I didn't expect from this entry-level SUV. 2024 Buick Envista. The Envista feels like a premium car, despite being priced as one of the most affordable Buick vehicles. It has that liftback design that is typically exclusive to more expensive cars. With a liftback setup, the cargo space is minimized, but at the same time, it gives more space and comfort to the occupants. As clear as the Malibu beaches, the Envista appeal goes beyond its style. When it comes to practicality and efficiency, this SUV is something you can bank on. It has a thoughtful design, and while it appears to be overly strutted with features, the assembly of the Envista is actually free from complexity. Hence, from a reliability standpoint, the Envista is actually solid and dependable. The rugged quality of this Buick SUV is also seen under its hood. There, you will find its 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder engine that makes 136 horsepower. You won't find any all-wheel drive offering here, though, so you have to stick with its front wheels, which are driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Buick engineers have optimized the powertrain to provide smooth torque delivery, which reduces strain on the engine and enhances longevity. The lack of an all-wheel drive system means fewer components requiring upkeep. At the same time, the use of standard parts across GM's portfolio ensures affordability and availability of replacements, especially if you are going to drive this car on American roads. Obviously, this car doesn't drive fast, but what it can promise is that it's a safe and refined commuter. You'll have fun driving this SUV in both urban sprawls and highways. Furthermore, the Envista has an asking price of $23,000, which makes it one of the most affordable SUVs in its class. So, despite its posh and reliable assembly, the 2024 Envista is still within the reach of budget-conscious buyers. 2024 Nissan Kicks. Nissan built Nissan Kicks to appeal to the entry-level subcompact SUV segment. It's a good deal, to be honest. An asking price of $22,000 to $25,000 for its most expensive trim isn't really bad, especially since this SUV actually delivers. Of course, this thing is cheaper than the likes of the CX-30 and Kia Niro, but for its quality, I don't think this SUV lags behind other subcompacts in the block. What is so fascinating about the Nissan Kicks is that it's already well-equipped even for its base S trim. The standard features are already a lot, making it a more value-oriented option than most of what is being offered in the segment. The biggest downside of the Nissan Kicks, as well as other entry-level SUVs, is the engine. They aren't robust or powerful, but that's a trade-off you need to accept. The 122 horsepower 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine of the Nissan Kicks is already sluggish by today's standards, but I highly doubt that this thing won't satisfy your daily driving needs. Regardless, I am quite satisfied with its continuously variable automatic transmission. It's adequate enough for driving and shifting the front wheels of the car. As many of you might have known, there's no all-wheel drive for the Nissan Kicks, but at this point it's already understandable. However, the plus factor is that the Nissan Kicks have a good reliability rating and minimal ownership cost. This thing's projected annual maintenance costs start at around $300 in the first year, which is significantly below the industry average for subcompact SUVs. Moreover, the Kicks also boasts a well-structured maintenance schedule that includes routine oil changes, tire rotations, and air filter replacements, making upkeep straightforward and cost-efficient. 2024 Kia Soul. The Kia Soul is probably the cheapest SUV you can get right now without being cheap. While being affordable at $20,000 or so, the Soul already carries the reliability factor that Kia is starting to build. There's nothing flashy or exceptional to the Kia Soul, except perhaps for its boxy architecture. Other than that, this SUV is pretty much a straightforward ride, but that shouldn't turn you off, given that the car has a low maintenance cost and efficient performance. Plus, it's decently equipped, so it's not exactly Spartan in the first place. Its 2-liter four-cylinder engine delivers 147 horsepower, which is then paired to a continuously variable transmission. This setup proved to be great, especially in terms of making the car fuel-savvy. EPA estimates suggest that it can achieve up to 35 miles per gallon on the highways and 27 miles in the city. In other words, this SUV won't let you make frequent trips to the gas station. Moreover, the engine's durability and minimal complexity make it less prone to costly issues over time. Of course, the same thing applies to its overall design and assembly. Plus, there's no denying that Kia parts are relatively inexpensive, and here in the US, they are pretty much available in various service centers. So, in terms of ownership costs, the Soul won't be too punishing. 2024 Chevrolet Trax. In terms of quality and performance, the Chevrolet Trax is arguably the best entry-level SUV you can seize right now. In fact, the 2024 model year of the Trax is one of the best things that happened in the SUV market this year, and of course, I'd be lying if I said that I don't have a bias toward it. But my inclination is understandable. The latest Trax has a starting price of $21,000 but already offers a lot. It has been redesigned so that it can captivate more lookers, and its safety features have been revamped. Compared to the older versions of Trax, the latest Trax is a lot bigger already, which means that it provides more cargo and passenger space. The Trax is also a reliable SUV. That's something that I have to tell you a lot. The entire setup is built to ensure that the SUV isn't prone to messing up unexpectedly. Its chassis is well engineered, and it's unexpectedly simple despite its sophisticated appearance. A case in point is its engine. The 2024 Trax is using a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. While it's true that it only generates 137 horsepower, it's definitely efficient and capable for daily commutes. Of course, you have to accept the fact that this thing isn't built to give you thrills. Instead, it's meant to give you a refined and confident driving experience. Moreover, the current architecture of the 2024 Trax offers low repair costs and optimal mileage. The car is rated at 28 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. These qualities make the Trax an attractive choice among frugal buyers, and compounded by the fact that it's damn inexpensive, it shouldn't come as a surprise why some car critics consider this SUV a 10 out of 10. And that completes this list. Thanks for sticking to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely. Drive